Hi, this is Max from JSoft, and today we're going to discuss some of the recent UI changes that we've made to Sales CRM, our automation-powered CRM for Jira. If you're not too familiar with us, JSoft is an Atlassian marketplace vendor with more than 10 apps published on the Atlassian marketplace, with our latest app being Sales CRM. We're doing this video because there have been many changes made to our app since our inception, meaning that if you haven't been keeping up to date, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed coming back to our app. Our philosophy for making those changes were to first promote some features that we felt were useful but underused, and secondly to help a user quickly assess the state of their pipeline. This is what the UI looks like today for your sales pipeline. So let's go and slowly digest the latest UI improvements together. One of the big changes we made over the last few months was to remove the dedicated pipeline page and to instead have the possibility of changing pipelines directly from a deals view. We decided to go with this change to make it easier to swap around pipelines and to simplify the onboarding of the app. We made improvements to the filters, more specifically to the date filters, which will show a better UI. These filters can be used to help find specific deals, for example, all deals that are assigned to you. Similar to the filters, you now have the possibility of changing the way data is being displayed to either show deals from a funnels perspective, like what you're seeing on your screen right now, or like an assignee perspective. Changing it to assignee will group all the deals by assignees. This can make it very easy to figure out if one person has much more deals than the rest of the team. We also made it more accessible for people with the right permissions to add users to the pipeline, as well as to import and export data. These elements are, of course, accessible from different parts in Sales CRM, such as the settings or through the integration section, but we thought it could be helpful nonetheless. We centralized the search bar to make it easier to find deals. Now, you can search for a deal, contact, or account and quickly navigate to it. This can be particularly useful when you're dealing with hundreds of these at a time. In that same vein, we added the possibility to display more deals at the same time, but you are now able to display more at once. Speaking of displaying more things, one quick improvement to the deals view has been to display the pipeline total estimated revenue at the top of the page. This will help provide a quick overview of things. Continuing on the visual theme, we also decided to add more information on deals with color codes from labels. This is more of a quality of life improvement that can help you better categorize your deals by the addition of colors. The last improvement to the UI is a big one and revolves around activities and reminders. One of our ultimate goals for Sales CRM is for the platform to be able to display more interactions with prospects and customers. So we introduced the concept of activities and reminders to help with that. As such, we added an easy access for creating new activities, but also a centralized view for activities called My Work. Through My Work, you will be able to see all the upcoming and overdue tasks that you have. Finally, we also added displays on deals to help you see whether deals have activities locked to them and if there are some overdue activities. We believe that this can be quite crucial to ensure that you not only have deals going on, but that these deals are being taken care of at one point. These were all the major changes made to the board view of the pipeline. Do note that there are some slight changes to the other views, which I will quickly summarize right now. For the account and contacts, as well as the grid views of deals, do note that we've made similar changes as previously mentioned, such as the ability to display more deals at once. Otherwise, much of the functionality like search, add users, import and export data are consistent for all sections of the CRM. The main change for this section is that we made the UI a little cleaner and more organized. And to finish this video off, one element that we added was the data field center, which is a way to centralize and display all the types of variables that are being used by Sales CRM to make it easy for you to understand what custom fields are being used for and what they are. That's it for this video. As you can see, many changes were made over the last few months, but we truly believe that they only make Sales CRM a better tool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or check out our documentation for more information. That's all for now. Bye-bye.